event of evacuation, please leave all carry-on items behind. If there's a loss of cabin pressure, a panel above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, lift your elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your mask first before helping others. Please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is located in your seat back pocket. Also, a life vest is located under or between your seats, and your seat cushion may be used for flotation. To remove it, pull the bottom cushion up from the seat. To hold the cushion to your chest with the straps facing away, put your arms to the straps on the underside and hold your wrist. Before we take off, please be sure your seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items stowed, and your aisle armrests are lowered. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight this morning. In just a few moments, we'll be dimming the cabin lights. Controls for your reading light, air vent, and flight attendant call button can be found in the passenger service unit above each seat. Once again, flying time is 1 hour and 14 minutes from takeoff to landing. Again, thank you for your attention and welcome aboard.